Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project is changing out the headlight bulbs in a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to do the high beams and the low beams. So let's get started. So before we get started, I'm going to show you the bulbs that I will be upgrading the Tacoma to. These are LED lighting from Lasfit. They are customized auto grade LED chips, 6000K, has a 2-year warranty, and each box has 2 LED lights in it. Now here is a close-up of the bulb number that your 2020 Tacoma will take. Now the nice thing about the high and low beams is that they are the same bulb number. So let's get the box open so I can show you what's inside. First thing I'm going to find is a product manual with valuable information about your bulbs and how to install. This cover right here, just pull it out, set that aside, and you have your bulbs. I'm going to pull one bulb out, get a closer look. They have built-in fans. Very nice, solid construction. And check out that LED. So in order to change the bulbs, the first thing we're going to have to do is open the hood. Okay, we're going to start on the driver's side. On the back here, right here, this will be your high beam. This one over here, this will be your low beam. Now we're just going to start with the high beam. You're going to grab the whole plug and turn it counterclockwise, and it will come loose and out of the socket. Now on the plug itself, you're going to grab the bulb here and squeeze this little tab and just pull, and it'll come apart. Now we're going to take one of the new bulbs from Lasfit. I'm going to install the bulb first. Just rotate it clockwise until it fits into a groove, just like that, and then turn to lock it in, right there. Now, grab your plug and see where the little notch is right here. That'll line up with the tab. Push them together until it clicks. Once that's together, take one of the little zip ties that came with the kit and just zip tie it to something like a wire or anything, this part right here, because you don't want it banging around and stuff. And right there seems good to me. Now let's go ahead and change the low beam. Basically the same thing. Grab the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, pull out, squeeze the tab, grab it right on the bulb, and just pull straight out. Take your new bulb from Lasfit. Just like before, install the bulb first. Rotate it clockwise until it finds the grooves, and then lock it in, which is right there. plug in until it snaps. And then zip tie it to secure it, which I'm going to zip tie it to this cable right here on the side. There. Now the high beam and the low beam on the driver's side is installed. Now let's go ahead and move to the passenger side. Now before we jump to the passenger side, I want to show you a side-by-side comparison on how bright the new LED bulbs from Lasfit are compared to the old stock bulbs from the factory. So turning on the lights, this will be your dims. As you can see on the left side, it is much brighter than the right side. Now turning on the brights, you can see it is extremely bright compared to the original factory bulb on the right. Okay, now on the passenger side, it's just a slightly little difficult to get out. Not too bad. I mean, you could get your hands down in here and get your bulbs out, but if your hands are too big like mine, it can prove difficult. So it's actually pretty simple, just to remove your windshield washer reservoir. It's only two 10mm bolts. And now you can just move it to the side like this. And you'll be able to easily reach in here and take your bulbs out. Now with this moved out of the way, we're going to start with the low beam. Basically the same thing. Turn it counterclockwise until it clicks. Pull your bulb out. Pinch your tab and hook your bulb. Take the new bulb, spin it around until it fits in the groove, then turn it clockwise until it fits into place. Grab the plug, line up your notch with the tab, and it clicks into place. We're just going to set that aside for the moment, and then we're going to work on the low beams. Same thing, counterclockwise, pull the bulb out, squeeze your tab, pull them apart. Now take your new bulb and line it up with your grooves. Once in, turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Here's my plug. Grab your plug, push them together until it clicks. Alright, now our new bulbs are back in. We just need to move your reservoir back over. Put our two 10mm bolts in. And just snug them up. Okay, as you can see here, this LED bulb sits at an angle, and really it should be straight up and down. But what Lasfit did is, if you push in on the bulb, you can actually spin it to straighten it. And then once you let go of the bulb, it locks back into place. Now you are all set. So now we got both sides done. As you can see, they're extremely bright. And plus, with the little fans that run to keep them cool, they're not very loud at all. If you close the hood, I don't even hear them. So here, as we can see, the comparison between the factory dims and the Lasfit LED dims. The Lasfit is much brighter. And here's a comparison between the original factory brights and the Lasfit LED brights. As you can see, the Lasfits are extremely bright compared to those original factory bulbs. Alright, that's all there's to it. As you can see, they're very simple to install and they are much brighter than the original factory bulbs. I highly recommend them. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can find these bulbs. If you end up getting them, let me know what you think of them in the comments. Until again, I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.